Hello, in this video I will explain how did I integrate technologies throughout my coursework. For my research, I used a range of hardware, software and online programs. To experiment with the light, we used flashlights and aluminium to create reflection. Furthermore, we did a video showing how the experiment went. We did it with the school's flip video camera, and to have a still image we used a tripod. Furthermore, we passed the videos with the SD card to the school's computer and access, and edit the video with Serif Movie Plus X6. The program gave us a range of tools to make the video look as professional as possible. Nevertheless, we did the same with our video of experimenting with shots, and search in YouTube tricks to make our shots look as fluent and professional as possible. The hack that we used the most was the one using a rubber band to move the camera fluently. Furthermore, I investigated about short film codes and conventions, and did a presentation on an online program called Prezi, and of course uploaded to my online blog. For our planning, we did a video, again planning the scenes and details of a short film. This time we did the recording with the Canon EOS 300D, as this camera has a better quality. We used a tripod and continued with the same process as we did with the previous videos mentioned. One of the most important parts of our planning was our storyboard, that we did in an online program called Canva, a program that we will continue using for our production. As our image of the flyer was done at first by hand, we did a photo with the camera of my phone and passed it to the computer with a USB cable. Furthermore, to edit the picture and make it digital, we used Serif Movie Plus X7. This software was also used for the creation of our logo and to edit other photos that we have done previously. We already used this program for our work in Year 12, so again we knew how to use the program, even though, as one of the things that I was not very convinced with last year's coursework was the quality of my editing, I increased the quality by watching some video tutorials in YouTube and gaining some skills. The tools that I mainly use to edit the images are the color pickup tool and the paintbrush tool, especially for the image of the flyer, and the smart selection brush to create the logo of Costa Studios and attach. These tools made the production progress easy and quick. We used the online program Wix to create our web page. It was easy to use as we only need to create an account. This program offered us a lot of options to modify our page as we wanted and use our own images and backgrounds. One of the difficulties that we had was that the page did not contain the font that we chose for attach, so we need to add an image, even though the quality was not the best. For filming the short film, we used the same lights mentioned before, but this time we covered them with papers to decrease the intensity as we wanted natural lighting. Furthermore, we used the Canon with an 80mm to 55mm zoom and the flip cam at the same time to get different angles from the same shot. But the quality difference was noticeable and we ended up using clips from the Canon. To edit the film, we used Serif Movie Plus X6. We used this program before for our GCSE's coursework, so we had experience using it. Nevertheless, we looked up for video tutorials in YouTube to raise the quality of our editing. The tool that I mainly used was the tool to crop and cut the video. To make the letters of attach shake at the beginning of the film, I inserted a large range of images of the logo, make the clip of the photo very short, and change them of position. Nevertheless, I also use adjustments to make the credits fade. For this, I inserted the 2-second quadratic slow. In addition, when we did not find the lighting of the video convincing, we added brightness.